Oh my god, guys, look at my tokens. It's actually generating. What's up, people, and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited tokens for top 11 absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called apploop.com. Then type in search top 11 and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our manager ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open the game, click on settings down here, and you have this top 11 manager ID. Just copy. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, then paste it just like that. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our tokens amount. So I will go with the maximum, guys. So let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for top 11, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of this and review more websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down, guys, and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher with the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do, guys. So I will download Travel Town and I will download Helium Mobile. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. So if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait to redirecting and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the boat check. Tokens are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Oh my god, guys, look at my tokens. It's actually generating. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.